Hi, this is Vidyanag inviting you for an exciting live session this Sunday evening, a high energy program which I'll be talking about the art of talking, art of motivation, art of humor, art of debating, and last but not the least, art of dancing. And how all these things can make you successful, how all these things can help you become what you want. This is going to be a wonderful session. I want all of you to be there, and it's just 33 rupees. 33 rupees. That's it. And post that, you will be with me for 1 full year. Repeat, 33 rupees, attend this live session, and you will be with me for 1 full year. How, what, why? Be in touch. Call the numbers if you want to talk to me directly, or if you want to know more, WhatsApp me with your name. I can reply back. And this is going to really help you. Sunday evening show, live talk and dance show by none other than Vidyanag on YouTube Live. You want the link? Follow the numbers. 33 rupees. If you're outside India, you can do PayPal. The same link also is there. And that will cost you just $1. From any country, just pay $1 through PayPal, and that's it. You can attend live and be with Vidyanag for 1 full year. Sounds interesting? Want to be there? Thank you.